How to get the previous picture or what? Okay, like am I seeing the like as I seeing the picture, I can understand that maybe by looking at this picture, I can say that she's little bit conscious about the about something.
Hmm.
Maybe she is little bit depressed or something. I don't know, but I can get the sense from her eyes and from my face that there are some kind of negative feelings going on her head. Whether it is anxiety, whether it is feeling depressed, whether it is like uh, feeling self-conscious about something, but she's feeling something. Okay. Now
Hmm.
I think maybe she has gone to some place. Maybe somebody has told her something, and maybe she got offended by this. Maybe somebody has commented on her looks, somebody commented on her hair, somebody looks, somebody commented on her appearance. Somehow they think that then she has come in the come then she come in her home, then sat before the mirror and she is looking at herself. I think that, and
Hmm.
I think this is the thing going on.
Yeah.
So this is my story.
Yeah, very unique. I was not thinking in that direction, and you just changed my perspective. It's so nice, nice description. Yeah, Kumeshwaran.
Yeah,
Sorry if I'm pronouncing now wrong. Kumeshwaran, are you there?
Kumaresh, I think.
Kumareshwaran,
Hi,
are you there?
hi, Kumaresh. Hello.
I think some network issue. So can you see? I
Hello.
will try to describe it.
Okay. Can you like describe this picture or another picture?
No, this only. We will change. It is one picture, always say, and then change. If anybody wants to add on this, they can.
Okay.
So we can now.
Okay. So do you like?
Is her hair red or
Yeah.
what color the hair is?
You can say it redhead, like this kind
Oh,
of person
redhead.
who is
Huh.
red colors. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Not actually red the color, but you can told them as redheads, refer them as redheads. Doesn't matter at all.
She is a beautiful girl. We can see with red hair, beautiful eyes. I think this is kind of picture that models usually do a subtle face, no expression, no happiness, no sadness. This is, I think, some kind of subtle beauty, what we call that. See that. A subtle beauty, and yeah, I think, and
Somebody
as you
joined.
described something like she's having a bad day or something, uh, it might be. I don't know what's going back, but yeah, maybe. So yeah, Chandran, Prakash.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah, hello, bro. How are you?
Hello,
I am good.
hello,
How are
Chandran.
you?
Yeah,
Good.
so we are playing
Like
a
we are.
game, fun game that you have to describe a picture. So can you see a picture in front of you? Uh, Manish is sharing his screen.
Yeah, I can see.
Hello, Chandran.
So
Yeah, hello, Manish.
Yeah. Did you get the idea what kind of activity we are doing?
I think I have to describe the picture.
hmm.
Yeah, you have to describe the picture in whatever you want. You can describe it in any way. You can make a story.
Any
You can
story or something,
assume
anything.
something has happened. You can describe anything. Yeah.
Okay,
Just what you are seeing right at this moment. You should have to, yeah. This is the activity.
okay.
Yeah, Manish, what happened?
Like what?
Your screen
Oh, I
was
think
not.
network issue. Okay, just wait a second. I think there is some network issue going on. Wait a second. Just wait a second, loading. Now it's okay. Hello,
Not able to
hello,
see now. Yeah, not able to see. Yeah, now able
hello.
to see. Yeah, I can see.
I think there is some network issue actually. Chandran, do you like to go with this picture, or would you like me to change the picture?
So I can't see the picture.
Okay, just wait a second. Just wait a second. I'm just yeah.
Yeah, can you see it?
Yeah, I can see.
So you have to describe it.
Uh, okay.
Just wait a second, guys. I am coming. I can go somewhere. Go somewhere. Just wait a second. You can continue. I have to just go somewhere. Wait a second.
Can you give me some hint that how should I describe? Like,
Okay, okay, you so you late joined. So it like she has a red head. She has beautiful eyes. I think in her life maybe some modeling or stuff is going on like that. And any if you want to relate any story with it, it's I think you can say that you have to exercise your brain like imagination stuff that work then this will help you in improvement of your English. So that's for you only.
okay.
You, can you hear me?
Yeah, yeah, we can hear you exactly.
Okay, I just joined the club.
Yeah, welcome.
So what's going on? I think it's very casual talk going on.
No, not casual talk. We are in front. Manish has shared his screen, so you have to describe the picture in front of you. So
Okay,
Chandra, are you going or I have to give Zakir chance?
it's okay. So you carry on because I'll just leave the on my way
Because,
to Masjid actually.
uh,
So what is the normal time? Like we are keeping every day the Google Meet or like whenever we how we
Yeah,
can.
whenever I find time, I conduct.
Okay, okay, thanks. Anyway, I'll join. Like I'm free on the time, but today
Okay,
since it is
okay,
Friday, so okay. Anyway, carry on. We'll
okay,
join
no
later. Okay.
problem. Yeah,
Thank you.
yeah. I think I have to change.
hello.
Yeah, hello. Yeah, just give me 1 second. I'm sharing the screen.
Okay.
Yeah, Manish, what happened?
Network issue, brother. I'm facing network issue.
Okay, let me try. Okay, so we have not that previous, but let's So okay, we can take this. So it's new for Manish and me also. So Chandra will get example because he was little bit confused how to proceed. So Chandra, do you want to first start or we start?
You start first, because I
Okay,
want to.
Manish.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, I want to go first. Like,
Mm-hmm.
as I'm seeing this picture, I can assume that it is as if somebody, yeah, it is as if somebody is sitting in front of the window, and he's just looking outside the window, and there is the view of that, a bridge, a buildings, and maybe he's thinking about like it is thinking that it's like a forest, like forest like concrete forest. Like many years ago, there was forest, but now it is concrete forest. Okay, maybe he's thinking about that. He's thinking about something else. Like sitting on the sitting in front of the window. I think this is the thing, and he's also he's not also looking like along with like apart from the looking also, he is also like enjoying the cool breeze which is coming from the river side. So yeah, this is my view on that picture. Hello, Ronak. Hello,
Yes. Yeah. Yeah.
was I audible?
Yeah. You are clearly audible.
Did you get the idea what I have said?
Yeah.
I
You
was
you
fumbling
said
a bit.
concrete forest. Very weird description, but yeah, like it. You are
Yeah,
having very different opinion, man. I
yeah.
like
Like
it.
I want to think different. Like
Out of the
you can
box.
say like I was describing. Actually, like I was fumbling because this idea was new for me. There's the reason. So I want to describe it again. So the main idea is that a boy is sitting in front of the window, and then he's looking outside of the window, and he's thinking about something, looking at the scenery. Like he's enjoying the breeze which is coming from the river. You can see in front of him there is a river. Apart from he's thinking about something. He's like an artistic person. Like artist means like he's want to think something different. Like he's thinking in front of him there is a scenario of a concrete buildings. It is if there was jungle many years back. Now the jungle has converted into a concrete jungle. So yeah, I think that he's thinking of something, and this is the thing. Like he's trying to like this kind of industrialization things are not so good, or I would say it is a thing which is really confusing. We need the development, and along with we need the we need to think about our environment also. If we want
Mm.
to like keep the existence of our species on this planet, we need to grow. We need to do. We need growth, like growth in case of industry, growth in case of biotechnology, in all kind of sectors. But along with you need to conserve the like forest also. So he's thinking maybe we are entering into new end of environment. We are entering into new urban civilization, and he's little
Mm.
confused with what to do, what is right, what is wrong, whether the government, the development should be continued, or we should like stop all the development. They should plant the forest again in case of those buildings. I think he's thinking about that.
Mm. Yeah, very
Yeah, this is
nice
my view.
description.
First time
Yeah,
I was little bit confused, like I was not clear, but
yeah.
second time when
Mm-hmm.
I thought I get clarity what I want to say.
Mm-hmm. With practice, you will be improvement like a pro.
Yeah,
Yeah, in this, I can see a dam, not a dam, bridge with, I
yeah,
think,
bridge.
from New York or some somewhere very developed. And I think a picture that says our evolution from where we are coming and how fast we are having a evolution, that the phone thing, the where we were as a tribe, we were living together, having we were feared, we lived in a cave, then we happened to live in our houses, concrete. We had so many inventions, scientific. So we have discovered more things, and there's a lot of things to be discovered. But yeah, but as Manish said, the environment thing, that there is less of greenery and everything. What we have just sacrificing for this, that we are cutting, we are getting away from nature, because we and nature are together. We are as the same thing. We are only came through nature, so we are connected. And now because of this, as we are on into our smartphones, our digital devices, so it's getting a more isolated, as we can say. So yeah, that's it.
Good, good, very good view.
Yeah, thank you.
Chandra,
Yeah, yeah.
do
Do
you
you
like
get
to
the
go
point
right
of
now?
view? Yeah.
Yeah. uh, So in this picture, I can see like a very developed city, but in this picture, there is a lack of clarity. I think this symbolizes, the environmental pollution, and also I think in cities we are like running, and our life is not so colorful. Actually, this picture is not so colorful. So
Hmm.
it also describes that when we lived with nature, our lives are like more happy and yeah, more colorful. But now it become like um, I want to say like monochromatic type of thing. Like yes, actually, I think someone is seeing the city from the outside. So he's creating a view of city. So he's trying his life from a different point of view, because when he is living in the city, so he can't see his how it looked like from uh, some distance apart. So he is trying to see uh, a city life from a different point of view. So this was my thought.
Yeah, good, good,
Yeah,
very
and
good.
one thing, yeah, great, great, of course. But one thing also, I'm not sure you know that in urban area, it is happening that we are very secluded, that we are getting in our apartment and everything. But in our ancient living, we were so connected by people that we would go to our neighbor house, greet them. But now what is happening is we do not know our neighbors also. We don't talk to them. Now it's happening. People are not talking to their parents or like that, because they are feeling so isolated, lonely. That because our generation has if you think that our generation is having the most comfortable life as compared to our parents or grandfathers and before that generation, so we have a very comfortable life as compared to them, but we are called the most depressed because our mental issues are happening. So I think we have to see this part also. And
Uh,
also
One thing is
Chandra,
that, yeah,
what? Sorry.
hello.
Yeah, what you
Like
said?
I want to add one point also,
Yeah.
like depression point. I want to like add it. Like you can say, in the
Hmm.
ancient age, what happened? Like we people are so much interconnected and interdependent on each other. Okay. Like suppose you want to do something, you want to have to do something, you have to get the help from somewhere else. We people are so much connected because we are interdependent that time. Okay. But this time what happens? Like we can stay busy with anything at our home. Suppose I am staying lonely, I can be busy at Facebook, at WhatsApp. We don't need anyone right now. What's the happening? Like the main purpose of Facebook, WhatsApp was there to increase the connectivity.
Hmm.
These kind of things actually somehow like disconnected us, secluded us from the our families, from
Hmm.
our friends.
Our near ones,
Okay,
yeah.
so this, yeah, so this is another kind of problem. Like the thing we have produced for our own benefit, actually it's harming us nowadays. We are like, suppose something is created for the good, but we are like, we found a alternative way to use it as a bad thing. So this is another kind of issue is there today's generation.
Yeah.
And that's my point.
Yeah, Chandra, do you want to add something?
Yeah, I think that in this picture, like life is like more artificial because everything is looking like man-made and non-living because we can't see any trees or humans and life or living because everything is man-made and everything is still like yeah,
Yeah.
that's all.
Yeah, very nice point. Yeah. So one thing
Yeah,
you
it
said,
was a very artistic point.
yeah,
It was a very
artistic,
artistic thought.
creative
Yeah.
point. Yeah. Okay. So one thing you said that there is lack of clarity. Can you go deep
Yes.
more? Explain it.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello, Chandra. Are you there?
Yeah, actually your
I think
voice.
there was some network glitches. Yeah,
Okay. I was
there
just
was some
saying
network
that.
glitches actually.
Okay, I was just saying that you one earlier you was describing. So you said one word, lack of clarity. You said in this picture. So can you
Right.
define it more deep?
Because picture is like something foggy because there's
Hmm.
lack of contrast between the buildings.
Yeah, I
Okay.
got
Real,
his idea. What he said
Mm-hmm.
actually.
Yeah.
yeah.
Like he was saying that like there is the unclear picture. So there is some kind of pollution is going around, and this is
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
because of the urban.
Mm-hmm.
I think
but
that was your
Got it.
point.
it can be also seen like this, like we are making buildings and we are making bridges and all the things, but there is a lack of clarity. Actually, really, are we, developing or we are going in the wrong direction? Because we used to be happy when we don't have these things, like when we are living with minimal resources and yeah, that.
Yeah. Yeah. To be honest, at you first you came, I didn't thought you were so deep, and now you are just cracking it. Yeah.
Actually, actually,
Fire.
many things are
Yeah.
running in my mind, but when
Yeah. You
uh,
described so well, man.
I don't
Yes.
think
Yes. Very good
I'm
actually.
sing it
Your thought
correctly.
was very good.
Mm-hmm.
No issue.
Yeah. Moving to next.
Yeah,
Okay, Ronak, one picture to share.
Okay, you
Can I
can
share
share.
my picture?
Yeah.
okay.
Okay, just wait a second. I found out this picture. Can you guys see this picture? Hello?
Okay. Oh, this is
Yeah, I
more
can see.
artistic. Yeah.
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 Right now I found out this picture. So, like,
It's
who wanna
beautiful.
go first? I think it would be challenging. Yeah.
Yeah. I want to go first because after me, Chandra will say all of them, and after that, I will feel that I have nothing to say. So I think in this we can see so many colors and a picture that is describing, I think, a tribe person or his mind, that in his mind so much ideas are coming and they are going for exploding or going to blossom. So I think I can see like that, and it's very beautiful in an artistic way.
So can we go? Can I?
Okay, continue.
Hello.
Yeah.
Anok, are you done, brother?
Yeah,
Okay,
I'm
okay.
done.
I wanna go. Then, like, okay. One thing is that first of all, that see this picture. When I first saw this picture, what got into my mind, it was it's several different possibilities, shows different creativity possibilities, shows the creativity and
Mm-hmm.
defines that like when you become creative, when you have possibilities, you can like you can make your life very much beautiful like a rainbow. You can make your life like a rainbow, beautiful like a rainbow. So these colors actually shows the creativity of human mind, the possibilities of human capabilities. Okay, then it defines the creative self of a human being. We actually creative. Maybe sometime somehow like lost our creativity in this race of life. But
Mm-hmm.
what happens? But it is there always. It is always there. If it just you just have to find it in yourself. And when you can show your creativity, you can like a rainbow. So this is my one view. Another view I can find out like it's it it shows the it looks like a little bit. It looks like a girl actually. Second, it is the second scenario. It looks like a girl. Like a girl has painted her hair different colors, and like looks like that. When I see the face, it's look like the maybe uh, she is not satisfied. I can assume I can see his face, her face, and I can assume that maybe she is not satisfied or content she has done. Like maybe she has colored the hair for like to be much more beautiful, much more beautiful. But maybe she's not thinking right now after coloring the hair. She doesn't look like so much beautiful. So this is my second thought about this picture.
Yeah, I'm not sure. You can
That's
see
that's
at her forehead an animal type with an eye, a
yeah
black
yeah
dot,
yeah yeah
an
yeah yes
animal.
yes
Yeah,
yes
it
yes.
is looking like animal. What animal? I don't know. And ear also, close to ear,
Yes,
something like
yes.
a catfish or something. It's beautiful.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, yeah. Lots of picture like that. Can you
Yeah.
see lots of
Okay,
pictures like that? Yeah.
this will going to be hard.
Yeah. We need to push our brain so much.
Hmm.
Okay, Chandran, I am finished.
Okay. Uh, so I am a picture of
Okay.
picture is not real. It is like abstract painting. So it can be her imagination or it can be her, and the black background is darkness in her life. But he is imagining herself, her life in a more colorful way, like, and his posture is also like he's flying and he's going somewhere. So sorry, not he, she is going somewhere, and she wants to live a very colorful life and also wants freedom. So he is like dreaming or imagining, because this is abstract and you know uh, describing more emotion than the reality.
Yeah, yeah,
And
good.
I think,
That's all.
Very good.
yeah, her head is so upheld that she is looking forward that I want to achieve more wonderful things, and yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
So yeah. So like there are lots of pictures are there. You can go with any of the other pictures. Like, would you guys like to go with these pictures? Hello,
Yeah, hello.
hello.
Yeah, I think, is your
Would you
net
guys like
good
to go with these pictures?
with what, the
Not
girl
so good
picture?
actually.
There are a lot of.
Yes, yes,
But I
this
think
those
the
fish look like.
earlier what happened, your net stuck and something. It is so if it comes back, so it will have problem.
Yeah, yeah. Then okay. Then you can skip it right now. You share your screen.
No, I am comfortable, but you are you confident on your net?
No, I am not confident about my net actually.
Okay, no problem.
I'm not confident. Yeah.
Okay,
So I
no.
am stop sharing the screen.
Yeah, yeah, this picture. It's completely a contrast with what we have seen the earlier one, the city one.
Hmm. It's like a natural beauty.
Yeah.
It's like a hill station. Somebody like it is like a the scene is like that. Somebody is just thinking to like what is called it is called I think parachute jumping or something like that.
Mm-hmm.
He is thinking to like whether to jump, whether to use the parachute jump. Like it was like a hill station, so like there are like something like you can jump from that hill cliff through the zip lines. There are lots of things are there, but he is afraid of heights. So maybe he's somewhere standing in the edge of a hill and he's thinking whether to do it or not. And he's mesmerized by the beauty that there is in the hill stations. The clouds are,
Mm.
you can say, it's like clouds are embracing the hills like that. And he's thinking he has gotten on, like he's on the, like maybe he's 1,000 feet above from the ground. At a point, it is beautiful and also it's thrilling. So it's my view on that thing.
Mm-hmm. And I think if I woke here anytime morning, I would see is like I'm in heaven like that. The place is
Yeah.
like that only. The clouds are coming. It's cool. Something. I think this is the a place that I want to visit or want to get trip or hiking on this. Not sure it is safe or not, but want to.
Yeah.
I think yeah, and this describes the openness. I think in mind also. So when you see if you take time with your phone and you spend 2 to 3 hours, after that you feel very heavy headed, your eyes hurt, you like feel like sleepy. But when you go on a open area like on a hill like that in open air, you feel a lot open up, lot more fresh. So I'm just looking at the picture and I'm looking like I'm feeling like I'm very refreshed type of feeling. Yeah, that's it.
Good. Very good.
Yeah, Chandra.
Okay. I am seeing many clouds are very near to the ground. You can because they are mountain at very high altitude. So clouds are near the ground, and cloud symbolizes the heavenly thing because when we think of heaven or something, the clouds comes in our mind, and this can't be happen in cities because we are never going to see clouds near the ground in
Black
cities.
cloud,
But
black clouds.
yeah, and this is also white cloud, so
Hmm.
this is more symbolizing the heavenly thing.
Hmm.
And this picture wants to say that heaven is present on earth where the nature is in its purest form. So, and yeah, there is also no distraction because when we are there, the only thing is nature and we. There's no artificial distraction to distract us. We can, present, feel the present moment when we are present at like this place.
And
So,
after going to that
yeah,
place, like this place, we feel more connected with ourselves also. We get to know ourselves also. What we are at our most deep down level, what we want. So, yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, like
Like
Okay, so
visiting this place, like it's like a minute doing meditation some.
yeah,
And
yeah,
this
I'm
is the
feeling
kind
like
of
that
place.
only. Himalayas.
Yeah,
because there is
yeah,
no
this is the kind of
distraction.
place. Yeah, and it shows the symbolize the purity, then sacredness, the like it shows the beauty of the nature. You can say
Hmm.
this picture has a sign of purity in itself
Hmm.
Yeah,
and holiness in itself.
Yeah. This session is going very spiritual, like, huh?
Yeah,
Yeah. Next, let's see what is
like do you
ahead.
guys read books? Surely
You.
read
yeah.
lots of books. Yeah, I can
No,
assume.
I just started reading.
And Ronak, you
Ah, yeah, I do. Audiobooks, podcasts, and books are like my constant.
like what kind of books you like to read? Usually, what kind of books you read?
I usually have. I have also purchased some self-help books. I think How
Yeah.
to Get Rich, Napoleon Hill, How to Win Friends and Influence People on Communication, Autobiographer Yogi. It is a spiritual book, and other lot of other books also. I have read
Like
it.
any kind of novels, any kind of novels you are currently reading. Novels means like love stories, adventure stories, and detective stories. Those kind of books.
Yeah, fiction type. I want to, but I have not and physical. But I have heard lot of books on love, thriller. That's great. I like the thriller. I like the most.
Yeah, for me
Sherlock
also, it
Holmes
is
is
the most
there.
favorite.
Harry Potter. So yeah, there are lots.
Actually, I have. There is a you can say the whole novel. I have read the whole novel, every each and every
Wow.
story almost.
So
It
what's
was very
better,
beautiful actually.
book or the movie type? What's better?
Like I didn't get your question. Like, can
I
you
have you
repeat it
watched
again?
a movie of Sherlock Holmes?
Yeah, I have watched the movies, but I have read the whole book. The whole book
So,
there is.
what do you like most, book or movie type?
I can compare both of them because these two are different kind of enjoyment. I can say.
Okay.
So this the two things are different kind of things for me. I like to watch movies and I like to read books also. So sometimes, but I always prefer to read books actually because I like to read books.
Yeah. And others, what kind of other books you have read?
Many books. I have read novels. I have read love stories. I have like I have read like some stories. Many books
Hmm.
I have read. I'm started reading from the third year actually. To say from the
Okay.
next from the last year
Hmm. And you
mainly.
are loving the process.
Yeah, yeah. Reading books actually in the beginning, my English was not so good. I can say like in the writing also good words or good sentences. But then that was the main reason I started to read the English books. And actually, I love the process. I love the process of reading the books. It was so much good. Helped me a lot to improve the English.
Hmm. Yeah, very nice. So yeah,
Chandra,
Chandra, what
what
kind
type,
of books
which type
you
of
do
books?
you read?
Yeah.
Actually, I am reading now a book called Atomic Habits, and
Yeah.
I
Oh,
also have,
Atomic Habits. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, I
yeah,
have listened audiobook of it. Nice book.
yeah, and I also purchased two more books. Uh, One you said also, How to Win Friends, and
Influence people. Good. It is a great
yeah,
book. To be honest, it's a great book.
I have read one two pages, but because I am reading currently the Atomic Habits, so this book I will start that book. And I also purchased one or more book, Habits of Highly Effective People.
Ha ha. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Oh,
That
I
I
also.
think
have
I
this
Hmm.
book.
I think I like more about self-help and self-improvement like books.
Hmm.
Okay.
But
Yeah.
I have also into self-help,
I think
but I
Chandran, you
think
are a
fiction
student.
also gets the work done. In fiction, you think you also learn
Hello, Chandran.
of life.
Yeah,
Are you
Manish,
saying?
you were asking something.
Yeah, Manish.
I asked that, are you a student or are you a student?
Yeah, I am a student. I just completed my 12th.
Oh, you just completed 12. Okay, okay, okay. And you're from where?
I am from Bihar.
Bihar. Okay, okay. Nice to meet you.
And
And Ronak, you're from
Rajasthan.
Rajasthan. Okay. And me myself, I am from Tripura.
Yeah, Tripura.
oh, wow.
Nice place.
Yeah, good, beautiful place.
Yeah,
Hmm.
actually, I want to more know about Northeast because very
Yeah,
beautiful
like
mountains.
very beautiful. But the thing is that it's not highlighted often. This area, like when I belong to India, like no
Okay.
one talks about these kind of places.
We only know that Tripura and Nagaland, these are the states. Apart from that, we have very less knowledge. But
Yeah,
in last few years, I have watched some like travel vlogs, so I came to know more about that place.
yeah.
Yeah,
Visited this place actually, like
yeah,
Gorup Taneja,
yeah,
and
yeah.
like another, yeah, and another blogger was like that. They're not blogger actually, but they make good videos. I think the channel name is Following Love or something.
Uh,
They also
Abhiyan
visited
new.
this place recently.
Abhiyan new.
Yeah, Avian knew. Yeah, yeah. They
Another
also
is Flying
visited
Beast.
this place. Flying Beast. Yeah, Gaurav Taneja.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Well, when he has come to Tripura, then I have visited his events. He organized the event in a place in Tripura, and me and my friends actually bunked the college that day and then visited the his event.
So,
Very
what is
nice.
your mother in Tripura?
Mother tongue is Bengali. Like the for me, my mother tongue is Bengali. But you can say in Tripura there are two official language. One is Bengali, another one is Kakborok.
Yeah,
What
nice.
is the second one?
Kakborok. You have never heard of this language. Kakborok
Okay.
is the language of the
Mhm.
tribal people actually.
Mhm.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay, let's move to the picture. This is very unique, I think.
yeah. Please.
K- Very unique picture.
Yeah.
Can you recognize what is it? The small things?
It's like boats,
Yeah, it's boats.
boats with sails. Small boats are
Hmm.
there. Yeah, it's like
But
boats,
what?
sails.
Hmm. So
It's
I'm
it's
very,
like many boats are going from somewhere to somewhere.
but on a snow what? Ice.
It's water actually, sea water. I think
Yeah, it's
I'm
what
feeling that ice.
it's
It is like so white and still. I can't see any waves.
yeah, like it's
I
yeah,
think
it's like in the middle of it's like in the middle of the sea and the
more clear water and more reflective. So it is reflecting the sky.
Mhm.
So we can't
Yes,
see
yes,
the
it's
difference between the sky and water.
sea or even I can't able to see and I think it's a big lake or something like big river or
Yeah.
something.
I also think it's lake kind of thing.
Big lake or river, I think. Very big lake or river.
Hmm.
That is the reason we are
So,
not able to see any waves.
yeah. I want to go first. I want to take it with the ice. I want to experiment what I can do with ice.
Yeah, yeah, please, go on.
Okay. I think I'm taking ice because I can't see any greenery and this is looking more like a ice. But in that we can see there are a lot of boats, small boats with different colors. It shows a person. that everybody has a different journey, not everybody has the same destination, or and everybody has same something strength or something and weakness. So we are all different at our core. We have different values. So yeah, that came into my mind. Yeah.
Actually, I didn't get the story. Can you please, like, I didn't get the story fully. There was
Like,
some network glitches, I think, in the middle.
okay, I was just saying that it depicts. Yeah, can you hear me? It is
Yeah,
from
yeah.
my
Now
end
you
or
are.
Manish end?
Actually, I am able to hear you.
So yeah, it's
Yeah, I
Manish.
think it is from my end actually. I think it is from
Hmm.
my end.
So for you, I will repeat it. So it is this small boards are depicting our life, that on a of course not of course we don't have, but it shows that we are at the core we are different. We have different strengths, weaknesses, we have different destinations. So it is not meant that we will go at one path and clear it. So we have different jobs to be done. So yeah, that only purpose.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, I got it.
Okay, what? Who is next?
Chandra, like, do you like to go now?
Okay, so I am seeing in this picture the massiveness of the landscape. It's like endless landscape. We can see into the ground, and and also I can see that all the cars are shades of white and gray, but there is only one boat of orange color. I think this kind describing that a different idea or a different people, which is you know coming out. What I say, like it the orange boat. I think describing the people who have very different ideas, and he's it is like because everything is white and gray, and this is a colorful thing.
Okay.
So yeah, that's
Okay. Like, I have some deeper thing. I want to share a story with it. It's like many friends, childhood friends. They wanted to be pirates. Like, as a child, children have different kind of ambitions. When they watch a show of pirates, they want to be pirates. So it's like, after they got old, uh, then somehow fulfill their wishes. Those childrens, when they get old, when they grew old, so they visited a lake, kind, and each of have, you can say, hired a boat for them, and they are sailing the boats on the lake, and they're feeling like, oh yes, somehow feeling our that childhood dream of pirates. It's like a dream fulfilling for them. Yeah, this is.
Yeah,
Hello.
but yeah, nice. I think yellow reminds me of a person that it's very unique, that he doesn't go well with the traditional way. Let's take
Yeah.
example of education system. So he
Yeah.
might not be good at scoring good. He's not a topper or everything, but after in life he gets to explore more and he get to know I am good at it. I have an interest. Then in business, I think I can try. And tomorrow I have just watched Steve Jobs documentary. It was The Man in the Machine. In that also he dropped out of the college, and how he started with the calligraphy lessons and then took over to now the biggest company Apple, 1 trillion, and our economy, India economy is 3 trillion. So it's big in
Yes.
itself.
It
Yeah,
shows the uniqueness, the different in the crowd. You can say that like if you see the world, like if you want to be, if you want to find a deeper meaning, it's like a difference. It's like shows the uniqueness. Like in a life, like if I am now, I would say this year I am going be graduated from my college. So what's happening? Many people would get placed in college campuses. Many students won't get the placements. Like everybody would try to do different things, but one thing is that most of the people would do the same thing. Everyone would get, but there is somebody who do something different from the others. This shows the
hmm,
difference, the uniqueness of him. It doesn't matter to him whether he's fulfilling the like he's making everyone happy or not. He just want to be able to do something different. It doesn't matter at all whether everybody is going to other direction or not. He doesn't care about that. He just want to be himself. He's like that person. Shows the uniqueness.
hmm. And I think earlier it was Steve Jobs. Now it's Elon Musk. Now,
Elon Musk, yeah, yeah.
yeah, doing different
Elon Musk.
SpaceX, Tesla. It shows the value.
Yeah. SpaceX,
And next,
Tesla, so then
hmm,
Boring
new,
Company,
yeah, Neuralink.
Starlink,
Hmm.
all those companies
Oh,
there.
this is oh wow. When I saw the sunglasses, I thought not glasses, sunglasses, but I saw glasses. I also want these kinds of glasses. It looks so cool.
Okay, Ronak, I need to leave now actually. I'm
Okay,
getting
no
late for
problem.
something.
Yeah,
We can like you can arrange the meeting sometime later, and you can send a link actually. No issues. I would like to join the meeting again. It is a very interesting meeting.
yeah,
Thank you, Chandra, for attending the meeting. Thank you, Ronak. Okay.
yeah. Thank you for coming. Bye.
Okay.
It was having nice talking to you.
Bye.
Take care.
Yeah,
Okay, bye.
bye.
Yeah. Chandra, do you want to go with the picture?
Okay. Uh, I am saying that a person is looking to something, and uh, and the reflection I think is in her glass symbolizes. Uh, I think she is a woman. So yeah, the reflection of something in his glass symbolizes perspective, that how he is seeing the world, and he is more fascinated towards the colorful world. Uh, he is hopeful that these colors, going to come in his life or her life.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Are you finished?
yeah,
If I go with the
that's all.
picture,
Yeah,
yeah, it nothing. It good. I think in picture I can see the the glasses give a sense of perspective, that how we see world or how we see the nature around people around us. So whatever we see, we have a glass, any like we have a bias or everything. So it is something like line goes na, beauty in a beholder, kind of line that was. Beauty lies in a beholder's eyes, like that. Whatever, if you see, if you want to see beauty, you will find beauty. If you want to see garbage, you will see garbage. So I think that
yeah,
lies in the eyes of the person who is seeing if things are beautiful or other thing. So it's like that only, and she's looking on a very multicolor picture. What she's seeing maybe a screen, a digital screen, and in her eyes there is yellow mark or something, maybe some of something to hide, showing that uh, a wall that's showing a picture that she's from outside a very happy person, but inside a lot of struggles and setbacks are going on. So maybe that.
Yeah, that's
Thank you. Yeah, Zakir, are you there?
Yes, yes, I'm here only.
Yeah, do you want to describe the picture?
Okay, I'll try.
Mm-hmm.
So, this beautiful picture giving a lot of meaning actually. So, the beautiful woman wearing a beautiful glass, looking at something, and that is reflecting to her glass. This is what we can see over here. So, as so we know that we all have a life here in this world, and we know that there are positive and negatives in us. Like we all are surrounded with a lot of maybe it's a situation or maybe some people who are surrounded with us. So here all how we are treating them, that will reflect like that will reflect to us. So if we are taking it as a positive side, or we are trying to see it's positive always, of course it will reflect as positive only. So another side is negative, like negative side or negatively, then of course the negative will come back. So I think
Mm-hmm.
we can I think talk about a law of attraction also. Like so, what actually we are trying to see, we are trying to attract, same thing will come back. So it's giving like beautiful moral, I think. So try to see the positive sides, try to build a positive attitude, and we can attract positive. You know, we can easily attract or we can get back that positivity now. So that's all.
actually I want to add something.
Yeah.
I just uh, on her head there is no hairs. So I
Mm-hmm.
think she is going to some kind of chemotherapy, or she is suffering from some severe disease. So
Mm-hmm.
she is very hopeless from inside, but she is look and happiness to the outer world, and she is trying to be a part of that world. Inside
Mm-hmm.
she is a kind of you know hopeless about her life. Yeah, I think.
Yeah, very nice. Very nice thought, Zakir and Chandra. Very nice thought. Beautiful. Beautifully explained.
Ronak and Chandra, both of you explained it, but in fact, just a minute, I'm getting a call actually.
Mm. Mm. Nice. This picture is also
Okay, so what first you see in the picture? Actually, saw reptile kind of thing.
nice. Yeah, I also. When you
Coming to the
saw
screen.
what you saw, I did saw that some like reptile or crocodile thing.
Sorry, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, Lisa.
Trailer of King Kong versus Godzilla. So yeah, no problem. So in that also, yeah,
Actually,
look like.
Hollywood. Actually,
Okay, no problem.
I watched the trailer of Troll. You suggested me now.
Now,
No, I
Okay, are you
watched
the
it, but
Prakash we talked earlier?
yeah, I'm the same.
Your voice was very similar. I thought you were, but I thought maybe different one.
No, no, I'm the same one.
Bro, happy to meet. Your pick you change, man. So
What?
okay, let's go with the pick. So, how
Yeah,
you were saying you have watched Soul?
yeah, I watched the trailer of all. So
Hmm.
I think today or tomorrow I'm going to see the movie because the trailer was so interesting.
Hmm.
Yeah,
Yeah, you should. It's beautiful. Many people have recommended it, so that's why I recommended it to you.
yeah, I
Okay.
think that is very good movie.
Hmm. Okay. What's with the picture?
So who will go first?
You can go first.
Okay. Uh, Actually, this is a picture of some kind of island, and a photographer wants to show his perspective of that island because there is a lot of darkness in this picture. So it symbolizes the feeling of that photographer, that particular photographer, and his perspective of seeing the world. I know this in real it will be more colorful or bright, but in this photograph it is looking something
Not
dull.
able to justify
So
the
I think
picture.
okay,
No, the environment because the camera doesn't capture as it is real.
no,
It is as
but we
compared to
can
as when you are there as and you have clicked. So more what is more real like that.
I no, but we can add some post processing like edits and
Ah, you
uh,
are a photographer, of course.
yeah, because that is also a part of photography. We can
Hmm.
also change something in the photo. Yeah.
Yeah.
So I that was my choice photo.
Hmm. Okay. Uh, I'm saying structure is formed looking at upwards. It's like a turtle neck and with the shell thing. The eyes too between and the turtle thing. It is shaped like that and in the water because turtles and tortoise they can survive up more than 100 or 200 years. So it's like that. There is so much beauty around us and around it is a darkness you can say, so it is well protected in itself also. He can go inside if he want every from the pressure, from negativity, self doubt. It's coming, he can go, and if he want to fight he can come back with the patience, with the stillness. So I can see that.
Yeah, that's great. And
Yeah, Zakir, are you
okay,
there?
Yes, yes, I'm trying to make out something here. It's like um, it's a beautiful picture of all, and water is there, and plants and also there. So first of all, like as you beautifully explained this, and Chandra also. Mm, or we can tell life is in between water or mm,
Yeah, you can connect to where any story, any background. You can whatever your imagination go, you can try it. Train your brain like that.
yes, yes, I'm trying to make out something. Mm. Of course, we need both, right? It's giving and so on. We need water as well as we need land side also. That like there will be ups and downs, so we have to manage to have a balance in between so that we can have a satisfied life. Uh, these things is coming to my mind.
Yeah, this finished, or
That
do you want to say something?
foggy,
Yeah,
yes,
foggy.
sir.
नहीं नहीं foggy or
That yeah, foggy. That also there, right? So it's
mm-hmm.
giving a hope, like the positive. Uh, though if you are undergoing a very stressful situation or depressed mode, we have to have that hope. So if that hope we if we are having that hope, then there will be some cause to stay forward. So there are people going depressed and committing suicide this way because they don't have any hope in their life. So here in this
Yeah.
picture, see that that you can see that some white is coming, like it will be like clearing the sky. So that means like even though we are in dark now, see we all are undergoing a situation like pandemic with corona, right? So
Mm-hmm.
also stressful situation, we have to have that hope. Tomorrow or some days there will be a day, so we can live fully. So with that hope, we have to live. Only this thing I'm getting actually out of this
Yeah,
quote.
very beautiful. At starting, you were thinking you on very hard on yourself, and after when you were got free, and then you like a flow, a water flow.
Yes, yes. Because I'm not used to it. First of all, I'm explaining this way. It's
I.
actually really good.
Hmm.
So we
And
have to
also,
have that creativity.
hmm, and also we are targeting in
Tell
that only. That want to exercise that part also, that we ignore a lot of time, but that's important also in
yes,
life also.
yes, yes, exactly.
Yeah, it's a kind of using ourselves to think about something with a different point of view,
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
deeply uh, deeply trying to understand something.
The perspective thing.
Yeah,
Hmm. Okay, I'm very enjoying this session. I'm very glad that Prakash and Zakir you have joined. I'm having good time. I hope you are also.
yeah,
Yes,
I'm
yes,
also
yes.
enjoying.
By the way, I don't like you people from where in India only, right?
Yes. Uh, do
Yeah,
you doubt that?
Which part of India?
I'm from Rajasthan and Prakash is from Bihar.
Chandra from
I'm from Bihar.
Bihar.
And you?
Bihar. Very nice. I'm from Kerala.
Yeah, nice.
Oh, okay.
Southmost.
Kerala is very beautiful state.
Yeah, it
Thank you.
is. I want to travel
So have you
there.
been to Kerala?
I want to, but I have not.
Mhm.
Any places do you want to recommend in Kerala? Any places do you want to recommend it?
Sorry, sir. Actually, your voice is getting break.
I was just asking any places, any famous places in Kerala.
Okay, destination you're asking.
Yes.
Kerala, yeah, there are beautiful places. And have you heard this one houseboat?
Yeah,
Houseboat I have
houseboat.
heard. Yeah.
And Wayanad is a district in Kerala.
Yeah.
Okay, and Wayanad is a village area actually, but it's very beautiful, full of greenery. It
Hmm.
Yeah,
has like
I have
everything.
seen some pictures of Wayanad. on
Uh,
Instagram.
okay. Then Alapi is the place where you can, see, what is it? Mostly this farming and all is like Palakkad, Alapi that side. Kuttanad, you might have heard Kuttanad. Like rices are produced mostly.
Okay.
That is
And
the Kenner I know. The
hmm. But the main thing is the flood thing. Kerala, there are a lot of. I feel very bad because of floods.
floods, right? Okay. 2 years it happened actually. You know, it was like, but somehow we have managed. I think
Hmm.
the Kerala government was, awesome. They could manage it.
So, do you think it will
Actually, in
happen
Bihar
again
also,
or
flood is
it
very
will not?
like a very common thing.
No, no. Is my voice breaking or anything?
Yeah, it's breaking sometimes.
Sometimes, yes.
Maybe some.
Okay, we can manage.
Yeah, let's move to the picture. Yeah, Prakash.
Okay. Mm, I can see that someone is going forward, and he is like a kind of person who likes to take risk because he is putting her feet in the water,
Okay.
and he is
Yeah.
not worried that things are going to be wet. Yeah, he is more confident and always ready to face the problem. Try to take risks and don't you know um, don't worry much about the losses or something because his shoes are going to be wet, but he is not
Yeah.
worried about that, and he is moving.
Yeah, I can see
Yeah, I
maybe
think
he's in
that much
background.
only.
There is.
If I get some new things, I can say.
Yeah, yeah, you can, of course.
Yeah,
Again, in the background, there is city or something. Maybe in a rush life, he's late or something, he's running for, but or maybe having fun. Like in our childhood, we chop chop and what whenever rain came, we used to just nakedly with the chaddi also, but enjoy the rainfall and we would shower in that. Maybe that or he's late as we can in background urban life, the fast pacing thing. Yeah, that's only. Yeah, Zakir.
Yes, yes, I think this picture can be described from different perspectives. I can say that person has taken the first step. So taking the first step in life is very important after all. So we all have many goals in our life and we want to achieve all those goals. Problem is that we are not believing in ourselves and we are not taking any steps at all. So here the person has taken the first step, although we are seeing some kind of risky thing, but at the same time the picture is very pleasant also, right? It's giving a kind of happiness also. So and the
Hmm.
like you can see that zebra line also wherein black and white lines are there given, right? So it's like a
Hmm.
piano, like it's everywhere it will be there. Positive will be there, negative will be there, but we have to confront with those difficulties. Then only we can achieve something.
Hmm.
Yeah, that's all.
and and also if you want to go or achieve something, you have to get wet or have to get dirty, so I can see that.
Exactly. Yes,
Hmm.
yes. Correct, correct. Exactly.
I think he is also
If not,
enjoying the water, and he wants to enjoy any situation because I think there is rain, there is a lot of water on the road, but he
Hmm.
put her leg for, and all the water comes uh, upward, and he enjoy also
Hmm.
because he if he want to he can also put leg like slowly, so water will not splash, but he's trying to jump over that, so water gets and he will enjoy the moment.
Hmm. And also, I can say that if I was in his place, the distance is that not that much. I would have jumped not by getting wet.
Yeah, and I also think that if he had tried, so he can cross the water also, but he I think he intentionally jumped into the water because the step is so small. If he
Hmm.
tried, so he can also jump uh, beyond the water also on the road, but he
Okay.
intentionally jumped
Hmm.
into the water.
Okay, this shows his potential also, na? We can take that if he takes an effort and that he without any getting wet or anything, he can jump with no many troubles if he take efforts. As we can call it in preparation like that. If he's ready, he's prepared himself, like he has learned something, he has prepared himself. I think whatever life throws him at him, he will be ready and ready to fight it.
Yeah, that's also.
Hmm. Okay, next picture. Do you want anyone wants to comment more? Okay, no
Can
comment.
you speak again
I was just saying, any new anything you want to say more? I was just asking.
about this picture?
I asked Zakir. I thought he want to.
it's okay, I think.
You can speak if you want.
Uh, no, that's all right. Okay.
Okay, no
We can
problem.
move next, I think.
Okay, this picture would be last, and after that we will conclude the meeting. My net is almost about to end, and net limit. So I think this after this my net will not
Okay.
work. Okay, anyone wanna comment? Yeah, Prakash, you can go.
Okay. Uh, I'm saying that a girl is eating, and there is some food uh, in front of her, but he is like more into her smartphone. Probably she is using her social media. He's like not present in the moment and not enjoying the food, but he's in the virtual world of social media something.
Hmm.
And I think there also a small cactus plant. So, and the focus of the photo is plant. I think the uh, photographer tried to show us that the plant is like alone, and her owner is not giving much. He is she is more involved into her social life and smartphone. Yeah, that's all.
Hmm. Okay, I don't know what dish
Very
is
nice.
on the yeah, very nice also. What the dish is on the plate? I don't know, something on a square like that. But she's more interested in a phone, and there is that shows a simplistic approach, that whatever we see in our life, we see it as we take for granted. 1 minute, 1 second. Yeah, I think this shows a very simple life, but we want more of life, every time joy, every time that we see others' life, not our own. So that shows that, but our life is also beautiful. We are blessed with so many things. So yeah, that only.
Very nice explanation, sir.
Thank you. Yeah, Zakir.
I think here we can see three objects mainly. The mobile phone is there, and a small street is there, I think, and there is a plant, small, and the person is very busy with mobile phone. So we know that mindfulness is very important. So whenever we are doing something, we have to focus that particular thing. Then only we can, do it like. So here the person is very busy with the mobile phone. So if you are going after that, the life, here cake is, and that tea plant. What is that? Yeah. Uh,
Cactus.
yeah, there is a plant. Yes, a plant pot is there small, but it is actually showing a very dry, a kind of negative symbol, I think. But at the same time, that past is giving a means completely sweet, right? So if you are going after the social media, you know, without focusing our aim, life will be so dry. So, and it will be like, very, what is a very bitter experience afterwards. Otherwise, if you are focusing, if you are giving our mindfulness completely, then it will be very sweet, our life. In future, we can enjoy our life. So it is our option A or option B. So if you're focusing your goal, avoid that, we have to use social media, social media or mobile phone or whatever, we have to use it wisely. Otherwise, the life will become so dry in future.
Yeah, very nice.
Yeah.
The dry thing, I liked it. Wow, nice perspective.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. And thank you, Prakash. Thank you, Zakir, for coming. It was very nice talking to you guys. I have to conclude because my data is about to end and I don't know how.
Normally, it grows in.
Sorry?
Yes.
Yeah, the pot is also like a, dry field or kind of thing. Because if
It has
you see the
wrinkles.
pattern of pot, yeah, wrinkles.
Hmm.
The
And there is focus on the that plant only, and the background is blurred. So
mm,
Do you want to say more?
yeah, anyway,
that's all.
Okay.
but the
Yeah, nice.
plate color is so it's very giving positive.
And
So
her
we can wind
clothes
up.
also black and white.
Yeah, exactly. Yes. Yes. So she is taker, whether positive or negative, whatever she wants, she can choose.
Yeah.
And the husband is also black.
Cactus or sweet.
I think from all the picture we are reaching the same conclusion.
Yeah. We are trying to make a pattern that what is going
Yes,
on.
yes,
This trying to connect the dots.
yes. The thought
Yeah.
process is almost similar, I think.
Hmm. So yeah, it
Anyway, it's a
was.
very
Hmm.
unique experience. for me.
Yeah.
And today is my
Okay.
first day also. I think you guys
Yeah. I think Prakash is also new only. 2 3 days
Yeah,
maybe.
yes.
Yeah. So I was very fortunate that you have came into. So how you like that? Because these kind of things are like more, less people do, but I have experiment what will happen. What will this, what will happen, like that only. It was an experiment thing.
apart from that, what
Yeah,
I
I
feel
think
like,
it is a very, yeah,
yes,
you
Prakash.
can continue.
Yeah, Prakash, go on.
Okay. I think it is a very good, brain exercise to extend our limits of thinking and, thinking towards like finding a meaning in everything. Because every time we see a lot of things in person or anything, and if we try to understand it, that will be make that moment more meaningful, I think so.
Yeah, nice. And
Yeah.
Zakirji, what you want to say?
Yeah, I want to do one thing like, we know mind mapping, right?
Yes.
So we have to, if you want to tell something, the things should come automatically in our mind. So this actually,
Mm.
it will give a imagination we can increase if we, daily if you're doing this kind of as uh, Prakash already mentioned that it's a kind of brain exercise. But on a daily basis, if we are doing at least 2 3 pics, we can take and we can talk about that. So the
Mm.
imagination will we can explore that. That's really good. So spontaneity we can make sure that.
And in this you will, I don't think you will get bored, because in this they have 8,000 pics. So you, this is simple, the alinarahis.com/picture, you will find it. And in any group or any, you, if you conduct any group meeting, you can take it. It's a nice exercise.
I think I know her, Alina Rice.
Yeah,
She's
she
a
would have.
YouTuber.
Yeah.
Yeah, and she
She's
speaks
the one
English.
behind this group.
She only is the pioneer who created
Yeah.
WhatsApp, and then the ripple effect came into.
Actually, I happened to watch some video yesterday from YouTube only.
Yeah.
So she was explaining this. There is like you can create WhatsApp group or you can join some WhatsApp group. So on a daily basis we can practice. So I just joined with 5 to 6 groups. I think.
Yeah. Okay, Zakir, you can. Are you on Telegram?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm there. Correct.
Okay, I can give you the link. You can join. So before that, okay, I must conclude. Thank you for coming, everyone. It was nice talking. I'm repeating. I don't know. On a second or third time I have spoken the same thing. But yeah, nice talking. It was a great session.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you
Same
to
here.
you also for organizing this kind of, interesting and creative session.
Yeah, it's all because of you only. If you are not there, we are not.